Hey guys, cool. So I want to say for the last video, yeah, the last few seconds, I had to pause the video, go investigate, come back, and continue the recording. But instead, the finger stopped the recording for good. But it's okay. I just want to say there's nothing that I was gonna say that I haven't yet said. Except just one thing. So we have covered everything that we need to know about arithmetic sequences except one thing, which is called the arithmetic mean. And it is what we are going to talk about for a first couple of minutes in this video before we go and talk about quadratic sequences, right? Cool. So, arithmetic mean, it's you see when you have two consecutive, not consecutive number, when you have two consecutive when you have two numbers, when you have two numbers, the arithmetic mean is a number that falls between those two numbers that makes you end up having a sequence, an arithmetic sequence, right? We also have things called geometric geometric mean, right? We're going to talk about it later. But now, arithmetic mean. Good example, yeah? Say you have the number 3. Okay, you're trying to find the arithmetic mean between the number 3 and 7. What are we saying? We are saying there is a number between 3 and 7, right? So that number, which is x, right, when you put it there, you end up having an arithmetic sequence. That's what we're saying. And in that case, x becomes the arithmetic mean, whatever it will be, right? So one of the easiest way to find the arithmetic mean between two possible numbers, you take those two numbers and you add them, divide by 2, right? So you have 3 plus 7 divided by 2, right? You get 10 and 2, which is 5. So that is to say the number here must be 5. And now let us test it, yeah? One of the easiest ways to test whether you have an arithmetic sequence or not is the common difference. Because if you do have it, right? Yeah, if you do have a common difference, then you know the pattern you have is a linear pattern or is an arithmetic sequence. You have 5 minus 3, which is 2, come on, which is 2, 7 minus 5, which is 2, right? So you see we're having common difference, right? But say for example, it's I don't know, I don't expect you, I don't want to say you guys will possibly forget how to find the arithmetic mean if you ever get to be asked to find it. Yeah. The reason I'm saying, because it's just easy finding the arithmetic mean between two possible numbers. So they will give you those two numbers. So for you to find the arithmetic mean, you will just add those two numbers and divide by 2. It's that simple, right? But should you forget, which is unlikely, right? This is how you should do it. This is the common difference. This is the common difference. Whatever value you have here, right? Let me call it D. Whatever value you're going to have here has to be the same, right? So meaning x minus 3 will be D and 7 minus x will be D, right? So from there, you would say, therefore, D equals D. X minus 3 equals 7 minus x. Transpose x plus x equals 7 plus 3. I'm going to leave this as it is. So you'll have 2x equals to 7 plus 3. And then, and therefore, x equals to 7 plus 3 divided by 2. Do you see, guys? Yeah. So this is how we'd find our arithmetic mean, and this is the way I suggested we do it in the first place. You understand? So should you have any arithmetic pattern, bro, I'm telling you, this is just how, right? Good example. Say you have minus 15 minus 15 minus 11 minus 7. We probably did use this pattern in the previous video. So you have a number pattern like this, right? So for now, of course, we do know what 4 is, what 7 is. Oh my word, we do know what minus 11 is, right? It's the second term. I want us to find the difference between these numbers, which it will be our common difference, right? So minus 7 minus 11, you get 4. A positive 4, by the way. Minus 11 minus 15, which I believe is 4. Right, so you see that we have an arithmetic sequence. That's what I wanted to make sure that you do, or you are aware of, right? So now I'm gonna say forget that we know this is an arithmetic. I mean, yeah, we do know it is, right? We do know it is, but we don't know the number here, right? So that's why I'm removing it. We don't know what 11 is, right? So I'll put a value x, right? And I'll ask you a question. I'll be like, okay, look, can you tell me the value for x? What is x, right? Or I would say, what is a possible value of x that will make the pattern to be an arithmetic pattern, right? Because you know what an arithmetic mean is. You know what I'm talking about. Even if I don't say the word arithmetic mean, right? You know exactly, this guy's talking about arithmetic mean, which to get it, you would just add the two numbers, right? So here it doesn't really matter. You say minus 7 plus minus 15, it's just minus 7 minus 15, or minus 15 minus 7. It doesn't matter. Then we're dividing these by 2. The calculator says you're going to have minus 22, right? So minus 22 divided by 2, you get minus 11, and x is actually minus 11, which we did see in the first that we did see like earlier. So, and if you find the difference between, you will get 4 all over. Right, so that is the end. That is the end of the arithmetic mean. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this video and making you one for new pattern.